Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Deep inside the earth, copper begins its journey as raw rock. Massive mining machines dig through mountains to reach copper ore. Explosives break huge rocks into smaller pieces for transport. Giant dump trucks carry tons of copper ore from the mine. The journey from mine to factory begins here. At the factory, the ore is unloaded into massive crushers. Crushers break the rocks into smaller fragments. Conveyor belts move the crushed ore through the plant. The ore is then sent to grinding mills. Giant steel balls grind the ore into fine powder. Water is added to create a slurry mixture. This slurry moves to the flotation tanks. Chemicals help separate copper minerals from waste. Air bubbles lift copper particles to the surface. The result is a copper-rich concentrate. The concentrate is filtered and dried. Next, it moves to the smelting furnace. Temperatures rise above 1,200 degrees Celsius. The intense heat melts the copper concentrate. Impurities separate as molten slag. What remains is molten copper matte. The matte is transferred to a converter furnace. Oxygen is blown through the molten metal.
Sulfur and iron are removed during this stage.
The result is blister copper.
Blister copper is about 98% pure. It is poured into giant molds. The metal cools and solidifies into plates. These plates are called copper anodes.
But the purification process is not finished yet. Copper.
The anodes are moved to electro-refining tanks. Each tank contains a chemical electrolyte solution. Thin starter sheets act as cathodes. Electric current flows through the solution.
Pure copper slowly deposits onto the cathodes.
Impurities fall to the bottom as anode slime.
After several days, thick copper sheets form.
thick copper sheets are removed from the tanks.
The purity now reaches 99.99%.
This is the highest industrial copper purity. And Daddy Shawan, this is the high flame wafers that make these.
The cathodes are washed and inspected. Robotic arms lift and stack the copper sheets.
Each copper sheet weighs several kilograms. Copper quality checks ensure perfect purity.
Only the best copper moves to the next stage. The copper is melted again for shaping. Molten copper flows like glowing lava. Continuous casting machines shape the copper metal. Long copper bars begin to form. Cooling systems solidify the copper bars quickly. Rolling mills flatten copper into sheets. Drawing machines create thin copper wires.
ड्राइंग मशीनें बारीक तांबे की तारें बनाती हैं।
Almost every cable contains copper.
From homes to power grids, copper is everywhere.
It powers electronics and modern technology.
Copper is also used in motors and transformers.
The finished copper is packed and shipped worldwide.
Packed copper vine. Trains and ships transport it to industries. From earth to electricity at CBM, this is the incredible journey of copper.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.